Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide photos and videos on your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on privacy. Now here go to the privacy tab and here click on private safe. Now here enter the privacy password, and after that to hide photos and videos click on images and videos. Now here click on this add icon and then select photos or videos to hide. Now after selecting, click on set as private, and now these photos and videos are hidden. So that's how you can hide photos and videos on your Oneplus mobile. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.